Alright, want to do a little Bitcoin update here. Some midterm bearishness as we're planning to probably consolidate over the next day. What is exciting though, so we have a Bollinger Band cross over the trend line. And so a little consolidation here. And what we're looking for really is the larger time frames. We have a Bollinger cross. And so while you're going to have maybe one more day of bearish pressure, a couple more days of bearish pressure, I expect this to shoot back up, top of the range. I don't actually expect a secondary downturn. If you look at these Bollinger Band crosses, right? So that's, a lot of strong momentum bouncing off of, what are they, like 49,000. It was such a deep cross, a deep cut. It usually doesn't occur twice when it comes down this aggressively. RSI comes down that aggressively. And so I expect a bullish push coming up through next week. And we'll see what happens after the consolidation. That being said, strong green week coming up. Now on the shorter time frames, again, this is probably playing out today. We have a bearish cross on the Bollinger. So some downward momentum. Once these two things cross in the daily, I expect this to really take off. And, it's very rare that we get this deep of a cross in a bull market. So, exciting times coming along here. There could be a short opportunity coming up. Today. We'll see. Likely as this on the 4-hour touches the top, you can see it on the 3-hour. 2-hour topping out. So consolidation. Basically, I would wait to short until this actually touches the top of the trend, reaching into overbought. Look for a little downside pressure today or late this afternoon, and then either tomorrow or late tomorrow, the cross on the daily. Which, as you go up in these time frames, the trend gets stronger. So the last time we saw this cross, it was a pump from 56 to 69. We'll see where this goes. This could be the bull market catalyst. And depending how strong this move is, this could be our movement out of the mid bull market consolidation. So what we're looking for is this selling pressure to cease, turn into upward buying pressure on the MACD. So this line turn and cross over, and then the final push. Now, again, we could on the weekly, it's less clear. So you have some conflicting things going on each time frame. And depending on how next week's surge goes, we'll see if this crosses over the trend line, or over this trend line, and does the second pump. Because this is actually the last bull market, and that's exactly what happened. It came down, crossed over, and then what we're looking for is the final cross going into the bear market. That all assumes that this market ends in this year, and potentially recession next year. But we'll see how it kind of all plays out. Thanks for watching.